Hey, are you interested in learning? Check out our videos. Want more knowledge content? Make sure you've subscribed to our channel.
Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to answer a question that comes up all the time. What is machine learning, or ML? It's one of the most talked about technologies in artificial intelligence, but what does it actually mean? How does it work? And why is it so powerful? Let's dive in. At its core, machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that enables computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Instead of writing out every single instruction for a computer, we give it data and let it discover patterns and rules on its own. Here's a simple example. Imagine you want a program to recognize whether an email is spam or not. With traditional programming, you'd have to manually create rules like, if the subject line has the word lottery, mark as spam. With machine learning, you give the computer thousands of examples of spam and non-spam emails. The system then learns the patterns, like suspicious words, unusual links, or sender behavior, and uses those patterns to predict if a new email is spam. So how does machine learning actually work? The process usually follows a few key steps. First, you collect and prepare data. Then you choose a model. This could be a decision tree, a neural network, or another algorithm. Next, the model is trained on the data, which means it adjusts itself to minimize errors. Finally, once it's trained, you can use the model to make predictions on new, unseen data. Machine learning comes in different types. The most common is supervised learning, where the algorithm is trained with labeled examples, like pictures of cats and dogs where you already know the correct answer. Then there's unsupervised learning, where the system looks at unlabeled data and tries to find hidden patterns, like grouping customers into different segments based on their behavior. And finally, reinforcement learning, where an agent learns by interacting with an environment and receiving rewards or penalties, much like how we train a dog with treats. You've already experienced machine learning in action, probably without realizing it. When Netflix recommends a movie, when Google Translate converts text between languages, when your bank detects fraud, or when self-driving cars make split-second decisions, that's machine learning at work. The benefits of machine learning are enormous. It allows systems to adapt and improve automatically. It can handle huge amounts of data at scale, and it can make predictions or decisions faster than humans. This makes it valuable in almost every industry, from healthcare and finance to e-commerce, cybersecurity, and entertainment. But machine learning isn't without challenges. It requires a lot of high-quality data, and poor data can lead to inaccurate results. Models can also become biased if the training data is biased. And in some cases, machine learning models act like black boxes, making decisions that are hard for humans to fully explain. That is why researchers are working on areas like explainable AI and ethical AI to make machine learning more trustworthy. From a career perspective, learning machine learning is one of the best moves you can make right now. Roles like machine learning engineer, data scientist, AI researcher, and MLOps engineer are some of the fastest-growing jobs in tech, with strong salaries and demand across industries. So, to sum it all up, machine learning is the science of teaching computers to learn from data and improve over time without being explicitly programmed. It powers many of the technologies we use every day, has applications across nearly every field, and offers some of the most exciting career opportunities in the world of AI. That's it for today's explainer on machine learning.
How did you feel? Is it helpful? Appreciate our efforts in the comment section below. Hit like button, share with your friends about us, subscribe our channel to get further updates, stay connected with us on social networking sites. For more free tutorials, visit our website www.learneticguide.net.